Hello, my name is Sapna Jha and here is my presentation for my e-commerce website. I designed my e-commerce store for mobile phones. So I start with my home page. First of all, the purpose of the website is to sell mobile phones of two different brands, which are Samsung and iPhone. So here are the products that my e-commerce website sell: iPhone products and Samsung mobile product. And now I start with the functionality of my website. I start with my home section, which is my home page. Here we have different iPhone mobiles and different Samsung mobile phones. From here customer can see the product details and they can also add to cart directly from here by clicking on add cart, and it will come directly in the cart section. And from here they can also see the details of the product, which include price details, product stock, product description. And from here also user can add the product and it will go directly into the cart section. And from here they can increase the quantity and they can decrease the quantity as well. As I have product stock 10, so I can just increase the quantity till 10. So like this I can see the all products details by just clicking on the details. So here I can add the more item and it will go directly into the cart section. Now I come to my home about us section. So here I have about my e-commerce website, where user can know the idea about us, what we actually do. And if user click on continue shopping, it will come again on home page. Now contact with us section, where customer can find the details about our email address, contact number and WhatsApp number. If customer click on our email address, they can connect directly to the email section where they can email us directly. And if they click on contact, they can call us directly, which is very convenient for the user and they can feel very comfortable while using this. And from here also customer can go directly at home page. Now I come at brands. So we have two different brands, Apple brand and Samsung brand. So if user want to filter the option according to the brands, like if they want to see the Apple products, so it will show only Apple products and they can easily add the product from here. And if they want to see the Samsung product, they can see the product only of Samsung brand and they can also add the product from here also, which is very good for the customers. And I come at search bar now. So if customers search for iPhone, then it will show only iPhone mobile phones. And if customer search for Samsung, then it will come only Samsung products. Now cart section. So from here from here user can delete the product directly. And if they want to continue shopping, they can click on continue shopping and it will come again home page and they can continue shopping from here. But if they want to check out, they can just click on checkout and they will reach on this page, order details page, and there they have to write their name, their mobile number, now their email address, their city, and their country and their zip code. So after filling this information, only user are able to place the order. So once user fill the information about there, they can get the email or they can get the message your order has been sent or your order has been placed. So this is how my website works for mobile phones, and user can uh, take home delivery from this website, which is very convenient for them. So this was my project.